What's up, guys? Welcome to Mandown Gardening. This week we are going to bring you a breakdown and a unboxing of the new Medic Grow NEO-780. And so all I've done so far is just pull her out of the box, and I took the first two white styrofoam pieces off, but I'm going to get you guys hooked up on the tripod. I just always have bad luck every time I put it on camera when I'm first unboxing, so I just choose not to do that from all personal reasons. I don't want to be held responsible for effing them up. And but what, I'm comfortable enough, we're going to put you on the tripod. We're going to open this bad girl up, and I'm going to show you what she's all about. All right, guys, hold on one second. All right, first off, I'd like to tell you guys this is the box that came in. Very concealed. I mean, it does say MG, but there's not a lot of people that even know what that even means. It fit tightly down into it. So what I want to do is hopefully get this set up and it'll just stay. And I want to take these other ones off. I hope you guys can see this. I'll scoot back just a little bit. I'll knock these to the floor for you guys. This is the NEO-780. So it is a foldable LED light. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna come in here and we're just gonna cut her wide open. I'll probably just split her down. And just be very careful with her. She's built, honestly, like a tank, man. Not gonna lie, wow. Her durability, for one, is way stronger than my other ones. And that much I will say right off the bat. I don't know. Yeah, these come off. These are probably just what's holding them. So we'll snap that one. We'll come over here. We'll snap that one off as well. So now she should be totally disconnected from everything, and she should honestly just be able to fold out. I know that she came with the ballast. I don't know how she folds out yet. I haven't looked at the instructions. I guess I should probably do that. So I'll be right back, hold on. All right, guys, we're back. So what was there? There was just some cardboard. That's what they just put for their own protection, I guess. So all you do is you just come here. You fold this one down. You fold this one down. You take this one and you fold this one out. Shut this box. You fold that one down. And then you also fold this one down. So I'm not gonna put a lot of pressure on it right now, but this is going to go in my 5x5. It is, I believe, 800 watts. So it says that it can flower. Well, it can veg a 5x5, no problem. But just seeing the size of the light, I know it's gonna be able to flower my 5x5 with absolutely no problems whatsoever. Tomorrow when I go in there, I will show you all of this. This is all the control. It's gonna be really cool once I get it all hooked up. I have to clean out my 5x5 this just came in the mail. I couldn't help but make just a little bit of a video and just get the first part done. But it's by Medic Grow, and it's going to be one bad mambo jambo. So you guys get ready. See you guys tomorrow. Later. What's up, guys? We are back. We are in my 5x5, and before I get into this control knob and panel and stuff and its functionalities, you guys, if you guys are interested in one of these lights, you guys can save 5% by using code Mandown. And also I'm going to post the PPFD. It's going to be right boom and over here. And this is at 3 different heights. It's at 6 inches, 12 inches, and 24 inches. And this is for a 5x5. So if you guys are interested in any of this product, yeah, code Mandown. And we'll get into using this right now. What's up, guys? So I got this in my 5x5 now, and there's a few different ways you can hang this. You can come in here and you can put a ratchet here and a ratchet here and a ratchet over there and do it that way. That's how I initially had it done. I didn't like the way that it hung. Or you can take, it comes with bigger ones of these, and you can hang it here and here and then there, and the same for over there. Or you can just simply put them right here. This is what I've chose to do because I like this the best way. I'm able to fold it up, get back there, pull it up if I have to, or do whatever. One thing I was gonna say in the last clip, so you have to feed this little wire into this for it to fold all the way down and flat. I made the first part of this video before I went to the hospital, and now I'm making the rest of it now. But once you feed it in here, it'll stay, and then you can go all the way up and then all the way back down, and it's no problem whatsoever. So the control panel is very easy. You just press the button. It's at 10% now. It won't turn on until you hit 15 or 15. So it clicks on. You can go all the way up to 99. It gets really bright. And then as you guys can see, it shows the watts, how many watts. Every time you, I hope you guys can see that, yeah. Yeah, every time the watts, because it's so bright. So we're just gonna turn it down, and I'm gonna go through this little control panel with you guys real quick. Whoa, we went a little bit too far. Okay, so the initial, this is where, and if you hit right here on this side, it'll open it up. So you can set your date, and you just hit it like this to move it. Today's the 21st. And then you can set what time it is. It's in military time. And then you twist it to go up or down. And then you can come over here, and this is where you set your timer. It's the same thing. If you want it, the start time would be at 23 minutes. And then it has the end time. And all you do is you just keep cycling through. And put yes. You hit it twice and it takes you right back. So then you can go to you can set the spectrum as well. So this is for flower, F1. And then vegetative. And you see how it dimmed. It changed the spectrum. And you can go back to F1 for flower, and the red lights come on. And then we'll go back to vegetative, and then the blues come on. It's freaking awesome. Double click back out. This is for group. This is so you can, I think it's, I want to say, I think it was 100 of these at the same time, but you have to hook them up, all up. They all daisy chain or whatever together, but I'm not going to use this option. And then The control, you can set it up Wi-Fi on your phone. I'm not going to use that either right now. And then the last one is the display. That's for like how long you want this to be on. It's really, really easy to use, and it's gonna be pretty bad. I'm gonna have a plant in here real soon, and then I'll show you guys what she can do. Actually, I'm gonna put 2, I think, in here, and we're gonna grow 2 of them out in here under this. So if you guys can, smash that like as always. Leave me a comment, tell me what you guys think. She's pretty sturdy. I mean, she's built like a tank, like I had said in the first clips. So I'm definitely looking forward to this one. And leave me an emoji or something. Thanks, guys.